In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign up for TickTick Premium. We'll walk through the upgrade on the web, from getting to the site, to choosing a plan, to completing checkout, so you can unlock all the pro features with confidence. First, open your browser and search for TickTick. In the results, click the official TickTick website to launch the web app. Once you're on the site, look to the top right and click Sign In. Enter your account details and continue. If you're not already signed in, this ensures your purchase is applied to the right account. After you land in the app, find your profile photo or initials in the upper corner and click it to open the account menu. In that menu, choose Premium to go to the upgrade page. Here you can review what's included and then pick a billing cycle. Select the yearly option if you prefer the best value over time, or choose monthly if you want the flexibility of paying as you go. You can switch between these options on this page before you pay. Next, choose how you'd like to pay. You'll see PayPal and Stripe as options. PayPal lets you check out with your PayPal balance or linked accounts. Stripe processes secure card payments directly on the page. Before you proceed, you may notice a currency symbol, such as a dollar sign. Click the symbol to confirm the currency that matches your location, since prices and taxes can vary by region, and you'll want an accurate total. Continue to the secure checkout. Start with the contact information section and provide a valid email address for your receipt and subscription notifications. Then move to payment method. If you're using Stripe, fill in the card information fields carefully, add the cardholder name exactly as it appears on the card, and select your country or region from the drop-down so taxes and billing details are correct. Some banks may prompt you for an extra verification step. Simply follow the on-screen instructions if that appears. Take a moment to review the plan, the price, and any applicable taxes. When everything looks good and all required fields are complete, click Subscribe to finalize the purchase. Wait for the confirmation. It only takes a moment. You'll also receive a confirmation email for your records. After the payment processes, you'll be returned to TickTick with Premium active on your account. If the status doesn't update right away, refresh the page. You can always revisit the Premium section from your profile to see your current plan details. That's all there is to it. You've successfully signed up for TickTick Premium. Enjoy the upgraded features and happy task planning.